Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to find your YouTube channel URL. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient having your YouTube channel URL because you could go and put it in places, send it to people, and do what you want to with it, and others can go and click on it and get taken straight to your channel. Come to YouTube, and you can come to the top right, click your profile picture, and you can go and switch accounts if needed. But if you've already got the correct one here, then you can go and press YouTube Studio. That will bring you here. And this is where you can go and manage your channel essentially. Come over to the left, and you need to go and find customization. Then you want to go and scroll down, and you're going to go and find channel URL. And you can come over to the right and go and press the copy button. And not sit.